welcome once again to Art Attack, the big art show that gives your eyeballs a shock. Take a look at this. The Mona Lisa, one of the world's most famous pieces of Italian art, you know. Do you know what I like best about this? The frame. That's Italian too. Believe it or not, it's made out of pasta. Come and have a look at this. Take the picture that you want to frame and just draw around it onto some cardboard. Now, the best cardboard for this is cardboard box cardboard. It doesn't have to be neat, just go around the edge of your picture, like that, so you have something that looks like that. And take a pasta shape. Now, there are lots of different types of pasta that you can get from the supermarket, and I'm going to take one of these bow shapes here, and just put it on your line, and mark the edge of the pasta, so you're sort of measuring the width of the pasta, and go all the way around the 4 lines, just making 2 dots, like that, and then join those points up. Oh, could have done with a bigger ruler. Let me just... and go all the way around till you have a frame shape. Then cut that out. Now, if you have difficulty cutting cardboard, just wet the lines with a little bit of water and it makes it easier to cut. And when you cut it out, you have something that looks like that. Look at that, a frame shape. Then take a piece of paper and cut it so that it fits exactly on the back of your frame shape. But I'm not going to put it on just yet, just leave it to one side. And the next thing to do is take some PVA glue. This is my favourite glue, this is great stuff. It's the school glue, the white school glue that you get in those big squidgy bottles, and just slop it onto your cardboard shape nice and thickly. Look at that. I'm just going to do one side just to show you what I'm doing. Make the glue really thick. I'm just loading it up there. That's it, and a bit more on this edge. You can go all the way around your cardboard. And then take one of your pasta shapes and just carefully press it into position in the glue. And then another one, and line that up underneath the first one. And then just keep going all the way around your cardboard frame, pressing the pasta shapes, one underneath the other, into the glue. When you've gone all the way around, leave it to dry overnight, and next morning you will have something that looks like that. Look at that. Your frame is beginning to take shape. And then you can paint it. Paint it any colour you like if you use poster paint or even acrylic paint. And when you've painted it, if you leave it to dry, you can slop on a layer of PVA glue afterwards, and it gives it that great shiny effect. Then just take your backing paper and your original picture, and I'm just going to put a line of glue on the top of your picture. This is the best way to frame a picture, just a line of glue along the top there, so that you don't have to cover the whole of the back of the picture. Because if you want to reframe it, you can always take it out then. That's it, press that on, and then some glue all the way around the edge of the backing paper. Again, I'm just doing this really quickly to show you, but you can take some time and care over it. That's it. And then it's simply a case of pressing your pasta frame into place. There it is, just line it up, and there you have a pasta framed picture. And there are loads of different types of pasta you can use, and paint them any colour you like. Do them any size you like, and make them as fancy as you like. Try it yourself. Pasta frame.
Very nice indeed. Oh, hello, it's the head here. So, that's ordinary pasta shapes glued onto cardboard frames with PVA glue and painted. But please make sure you ask first if you can use the pasta. You know, things look so much better when they're framed nicely. Oh, thank you very much.